What's up, guys? I'm here with some of my fans, and we just invented a new minigame. So what you need is this balloon thing, and what you want is I'll be here at Pig Cat. You guys go enable it. And then they have the blimp, and they have to try and fly it so it gets over to Pig Cat. Look, ready? So they have to try and get it so that it comes over here to Pig Cat. But I can smack it down. And it actually sends it flying. It really does. Ugh. No. Ugh.
He wins.
Alright, he won. Beanie won. Anyway, that's the new minigame. Have fun playing it, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.